What is a blockchain? Welcome back to our adventure in crypto and NFTs with the NZ Spirit Festival, the Conscious Crypto Circle. My name's Christof, founder of the Conscious Crypto Circle and the Neo-Shamanic Society, the healing school that I've brought through for those people that want to be facilitating deep healing and transformation. Now, as I've been mentioned before, I've been teaching crypto and deeply involved in crypto myself since early 2017. One of the most interesting applications that I feel is going to change the landscape for society is NFTs, non-fungible tokens. That's because NFTs are crypto's consumer moment. It's going to come in, it's going to bring the masses in. Now, to understand this a little bit deeper, we have to dive into blockchains a little bit deeper. Now, a blockchain can most be easily described as a decentralized and distributed server. When you interact with a blockchain like, say, Bitcoin, you're not just sending a transaction to a server from somewhere as you would in a more centralized ecosystem like Amazon, for example. Instead, what's happening here is that thousands of computers that are referred to as miners are going to be verify portions of your transactions simultaneously. And this makes the blockchain incredibly secure and essentially unhackable because there's not just one place you have to get in to solve, to hack it. You can't hack it because it's everywhere all at once. You'd have to simultaneously hack everything. So it's incredibly secure. Now, a token is simply a crypto asset that lives on the blockchain. And there are many different types of tokens and many different types of blockchains. You know, the most popular blockchains are for NFT projects. Ethereum's are very popular, and it's because there are a lot of developers working with Ethereum. It was specifically created to enable developers to build projects on it. Solana is another popular one, and that's the one that the NFT collection for NZ Spirit is built upon. It's built upon it contains a code called a smart contract, and the computer program stores on the blockchain that runs when certain conditions are met. And this is what the contracts do. And so the NFT is actually a form of a kind of like a smart contract. It gives you access and authorization to perform certain things. And in this case's collection, it gives you lifetime access to the festivals, which is cool. Now, blockchains are fairly limited though when it comes time to more kind of storage space. And this is by design because everything that ever occurred on the blockchain remains there forever. And that's part of the problem with the storage space and the block sizes. It's a record that literally represents any ownership of any NFT on the blockchain it's built upon, whether it's Ethereum or Solana. But the image itself is not on the blockchain. Just maybe the transfer of who owns it would be recorded on the blockchain. So that's why you're not going to get big chunky JPEGs or video clips on blockchains. The information behind it is what gets stored on it. The images and other digital assets are usually stored elsewhere. You know, the IPFS, the interplanetary file system, is one of the most popular storage solutions because it's a decentralized protocol. Now, there are some on-chain NFTs, meaning that they're fully stored on the blockchain. The most famous of which, of course, is CryptoPunks. This is a collection you might have heard about. CryptoPunks is a collection of 10,000 pixelated characters, and they're currently selling for a minimum of about 60 ETH, which is over 200K. It's an amazing kind of feature, and it's giving people kind of like access to, let's say, a cool club if you're a CryptoPunk holder. CryptoPunks are one of the first ever NFT projects created, and therefore one of the most sought after. CryptoPunk, for example, 3,100 was the highest ever sold for a crazy 4,200 Ethereum, about 7.5 million USD. So, NFTs have this potential to increase in value depending upon the utility, what they're used for, the demand, and the use case. So, of course, if you invest in the New Zealand Spirit NFTs, we're hoping that they provide a lot of value. They help build a community and increase in value over time as people value having lifetime membership. And so it's all about us creating this momentum together to be a little bit groundbreaking and pioneering in the New Zealand and global events and festival space. I don't know any other festivals that are selling NFTs right now to be able giving you lifetime access. So I think it's a pretty cool space to be exploring and investigating. And as you pioneer yourself into the space, let's see the beautiful unlocking and all the creativity that can come from being early adopters and pioneers in that space.